I'm going to go and spec my own car at Jaguar Land Rover Special Vehicle Operations. And it said anything is possible, and I don't take that lightly.
Introducing the new Discovery. 7 electric heated seats, the perfect family vehicle.
But can you cook in it?
Under your arm there, if you pop that open, you've got a fridge.
What about a toaster?
A toaster?
Imagine a nice toaster. Fridge, toaster, pantry, mouth. Come on!
Yeah.
I want to be able to pull out a table somehow. I want to be making pasta. Wheels. We put a little drum on there, right? And we could make butter. A nice little spit roast that goes off the front of the car. Butchery table, rotisserie, fridge, toast, coffee, fruit and veg growing. Oh boys, this is amazing. We're going to take this car to the next level. This is very, very exciting. They did it! Look at that. I was kind of having a bit of a laugh when I went down to Land Rover Special Vehicle Operations. So I was just sort of thinking, like, let's just have it all. But they've only gone and actually made it. They've done it. This is the poshest kitchen I've ever had. High-def TV. You can play any of your films or your favourite cooking show. Who's your favourite chef?
Gordon Ramsay.
Look at this, come on! We got a proper old school rotisserie coming off the torque and the power of the engine. This is what dreams are built of. Got a slow cooker, mate. Herbs. We have a herb garden growing out of the car. Check this out.
Is that a toaster?
Yeah? See that open button? Yes! Yes! Nice. Fresh pasta. Imagine this when we go down to Cornwall and we go camping. How cool is that?
Very, very cool.
Okay, Buds, you see, this barbecue is a grill as a grill.
Yeah?
A grill of a car, see? We're
Yeah.
grilling on the grill.
Yeah. Oh, I get it, I get it.
We've got beautiful, colourful wild mushrooms, garlic, herbs, and then all I need is oil, and you just get it in there. Come on, you know that makes sense. Here I've got my spice rack. Look at that. I've got everything I want. My really spicy stuff is in my spicy drawer. Grubs up! Big boy, look! Who's hungry?
Yay! Oh my God.
Full of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil.
Ridiculous.
And even though this is a one-off, this is a unique build, there's kind of things in here that I would really love to see in cars of the future.
The ultimate luxury SUV is now even more refined. Attraction is only natural. Introducing the new Range Rover.